Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device, and let me share with you how to create a 3D and embossed custom icons on this device. So first of all, you need to download a special app which is called Good Lock, so you can find it in the Play Store or Galaxy Store. So simply download it and tap on it. Now we need to localize the theme park and tap on it. And here we need to go to the icon, just tap on it. Tap on Create New. And here we've got three different sections, so shape, effects, and icon. So of course you can choose whatever shape you want to. There are some wild options, some, let's say, regular options. It's up to you. Then go to effects, and here finally we've got the effect that we were talking about before. So the emboss one. Just tap on it, and now you can see that here we've got let's say a highlight, or actually not, shadows that are applied to the icons, thanks to which they appear to be 3D. And of course we can change this effect. We can make it stronger, we can make it weaker. So here we've got the strength. By going to the right, you can show the shadow even more. You can change the edge of the shadow too, so you can make it well, not visible at all, so only the inside section looks like 3D, not the whole icon. The angle, so it's obviously up to you how you want to set it. And the shadow, so you can make it well defined. It is also shown like inside the icon, and if you will go to the left, well, now it is flat. So just have fun with this section. Moreover, if you want to, you can change the icon colors. So right now all of the icons are colorful, etc., but you can simply set the main color for all of the apps. Just tap on icon color, and here you can choose it, for example the blue one, the pink one, whatever color you want to. So just mark the option. You can change the saturation also, whether you want to make it more pale or vibrant, and tap on OK. And as you can see, everything will be, this color will be applied to all of the icons. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on this download icon, so save icon in the right upper corner. Now you can save it. I will just mark 3D. Oh, I cannot. We need to start with the alphabet, so okay, something like that, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it has been saved, so we need to tap on it and then tap on apply. Now we can go back, and as you can see, this icon pack has been immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.